everybody, welcome to Fun Sock Creations. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to make a puppet princess. Let's get started. You'll need the following supplies to make this puppet princess. Don't forget to check out funsockcity.com for the cutest socks for this project. To begin with, plug in your hot glue gun, then take your sock that you'll be using, and at the toe of the sock, make a basic measurement of how long you want this to be. I want mine to be about 2.5 inches, which means I'm going to have it be 5 inches if you double the 2.5, but about 2 3/4 inches wide. So depending on the size of your sock, that will determine the length and width that you want to cut your cardboard. Score your cardboard in about the center of it. And to do that, I just press with the edge of my ruler right there, create some rounded corners. This is what will create the smiling look of your puppet. And you can even round these back here so they don't stick out on the edges of the sock. Then turn your sock wrong side out. Make sure it's flat and that the heel is centered. We're going to glue this right onto the toe of the sock. You can slide your other hand in there. Be careful because it might be really hot, but use that other hand to create some pressure of the sock against the cardboard. Let that sit until it's cool and then we can go on. Using the template, cut out the inside mouthpiece. And don't do it that way. I would glue inside the mouth on the top and push that against there, and then glue along the bottom and push it in there because I burned myself, so be careful. Using the template, cut out the felt face. Make sure it's the size you want it to be. I want mine to just barely wrap over and meet there at the inside of the mouth. So I might just do that part first. Glue it the rest of the way on. Let that cool all the way. While that's cooling, work on the eyes. Cut the pupils out, the irises out, and then the eye out. So for the first step, glue the pupils right into the middle of the irises. Pupils are the black part. I'm just gonna put mine right in the middle like she's just looking straight ahead. Taking some black felt, you're gonna actually glue this eye right onto here. We're gonna create kind of some black lines, kind of like eyeliner. And then we'll cut the shape that we want. So on the bottom, I'm just sticking really close to the eye. But then up on the top, this is the outside of the eye. Have it be thicker out here and then get narrower in there. And then do the same thing for this eye. For that stereotypical sock puppet look, you want the eyes to be kind of more vertical than laying flat on the puppet. So I'm using 2 purple pom-poms, and these purple pom-poms will be like her eyeshadow, but also help to give that vertical lift to the eyes. So we're gonna glue those. I'm gonna glue them kind of on the outer edge of the face so that they show more on the outer edge of the eye, like her eyeshadow. Once you have everything where you want it to be, glue down those pom-poms really well. While you're waiting for those to set, go ahead and cut out the nose from the template and then glue that on. Cut out the lips from the templates and then very carefully glue them onto the puppet. I'm going to do just a strip of glue right here on the very front, and then same thing down here. While you're waiting for that to cool all the way, you can actually get started on the hair. I want my princess to have really long princess hair. So what I'm gonna do is wrap yarn around this tote top, and it's kind of hard to show it in this, but I'll just wrap it around and around. Okay, at this point I've wrapped it around 30 times, and what you're going to do is just slide it right off, holding on to both ends. So this part that doesn't have the cut yarn is going to be the top, and you'll just bring this down and cut all that. Make sure that you're centered. We're going to lay a strip of glue down and pull those tight right across that, and then take enough string that it will easily cross that spot. Create 3 strands right there. Cut that off. Now put some glue across the middle of there. We're going to lay that and pull it really tight, pressing down into the strings of yarn. And you can just leave that like that for now and let it cool, and then we'll cut off those ends. Go ahead and wrap your yarn again around your tote or whatever you're using for your length. Do that 2 more times. We're gonna give her nice thick princess hair. Once that's dry, cut these loose top yarns so they're not sticking up or out. Move the yarn out of the way. Grab one of your sets that you did. Find the center. Put a strip of glue near the other one and do the same thing. And you'll repeat this process on the other side after this has cooled completely. Once everything has cooled, you can move the hair back to each of its sides. But to cover this little center bunch, take just the first layer of either side and bring it over that center part. Now, using the template, cut out the crown. I'm going to glue my crown right between the pom-pom and the hair. So I'm just going to put a strip of glue. I'm going to attach it just a little bit to the pom-pom so that it stays upright when the hand is put in there. Then, if you want, you can braid this hair. I'm going to leave a little bit loose over there and then just divide it into 3. You can take just one of those long strands, wrap it around, and then just tuck it in. And there's your puppet princess. Thanks so much for joining me. We hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.